So as I mentioned, the market was gapping down. It was weak. At the open, hold for a couple of minutes, and it did a 1 minute opening range breakup. So this is the 1 minute. Really sold off, came up. I did a 1 minute opening range breakup, 25.85, popped up, sold, and I got out, stopped out. So that's the first trade. Not a great trade. It was choppy. All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Market was flat, went up, and now went down. It's kind of can't find the direction right now. Trading wise, it was a pretty good day for me. I'm still in Netflix. Netflix had a really nice run up. It was very, very beautiful move up. Even didn't do 920, even just came all the way close to the 920, but it popped up. And now I'm long actually on it at $233.69. Let's see if you can get to 235. So because the market dropped like at 10.15, and I thought that maybe Netflix is can be a good buy below the VWAP for the next pop. But the best trade for me was TQQ. So TQQ at the open, so as I mentioned, the market was gapping down. It was weak. At the open, hold for a couple of minutes, and it did a 1 minute opening range breakup. So this is the 1 minute. Really sold off, came up. I did a 1 minute opening range breakup, 25.85, popped up, sold, and I got out, stopped out. So that's the first trade. Not a great trade. It was choppy. Stock again was down, so you don't expect a really big move and a squeeze on it. However, after that, you see that the huge volume came in, it squeezed above the VWAP, and that's usually a good sign. I went long heavy at 26, added more, sold some. On the pullback, I added more. I got stopped out because I thought I was going to lose the VWAP, but suddenly huge squeeze came back up. I jumped back in there, 26.10, added more all the way up from 26.10 to the previous day close, all the way up to 26.50. So that was my first trade. That was kind of my second trade, and then I did another trade that I added here as well. So that was a very, very nice trade that I had here. So that was the best trade for me. Tesla at the open as well was a little bit choppy. I tried to take a 1 minute opening range break up, opened very strong. I tried to take this 1 minute opening range break up, got stopped out, came back up. I went long, added more of the VWAP, and I could get something out of Tesla, slowly here. And then it consolidated, choppy a little bit, and then it squeezed up again the volume. Look at the size of the candlestick. I jumped back in there at 305, sold a little bit, and then I got out of it because I was just kind of chasing it and I didn't have a really good entry. But it did eventually give me the next squeeze as you were expecting. So it went really up all the way up to 309. So that was a really nice move on Tesla. But again, I didn't capitalize properly on Tesla. Unfortunately, because it's just a bad entry. If my entry was here, if I were seeing this move here, if I would get an entry here, then I would wait definitely all the way up to 309. So trading wise was pretty good for me. So Tesla, Netflix, and so it was really good. And I do have the Netflix. I have 640 shares of Netflix right now. I want to see if Netflix is going to go up at least a couple of more points. That would be really nice. I haven't sold anything on Netflix yet. So where's Netflix? Yeah. Oh yeah. So it did pop up. Let's see if you can get to the VWAP or not. So that's my trading. And that's it for me, Brian. How was your day?
Well, it didn't start out great. I tried to play Adobe as a rising devil, and it just didn't want to drop. So took a bit of a loss on that. But then I saw Netflix popping up on the scanner. So scanners are always very useful for us. So I saw Netflix popping up on the scanner, and so I jumped into that around 232 and got move up to 234. So I got a nice little pop on that one. And then Square was the other trade. I just, Square was, kept popping up on the scanner. And so, I got into there at 668.30 when it was just about to go green. Because there was a really bullish ladder. And, kept partialing, and then I played it through the 71 as well. So, yeah. So overall, it wasn't a bad day.
Yeah, for you it was a good day. Yeah, it was good to. I mean, it wasn't really crazy volatility on the market, but we could get a couple of really nice moves. So today is Thursday, guys. Mentorship session. John 11, Ed at 4:30, and we have Thor at 8. So Toronto Money Show. I'm flying today. I'm gonna stay, and I'm gonna see. I want to watch all the presentation on Friday, and then my talk is on Saturday afternoon. So if you want to come, I highly recommend, if you have time, come. It's a really good webinar. It's a really good presentations. So RSVP here. This RSVP is for the money show, but there is another one RSVP, guys, here down here that you can actually put your email list into our own email list, so we actually email you the venue that what we're gonna do. Remember, there's 2 RSVP in this page if you want to come, and I'll see how it goes. Thank you so much. Yeah, that was a good trading day. I still have this Netflix. This dropped, damn it. I should have sold some. You know, I should have sold at the VWAP, so I might get stopped out. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much, and have a good day. Stay green, and if you have any question, email me. And I appreciate if you guys follow. If you're in YouTube, seeing me, follow me on Twitter @BearbullTraders. Instagram @BearbullTraders, and if you have any question, comments, and in here, I'll answer that. Thank you so much, guys. Ciao.
Bye for now.